Exercise number 1, Mountain Climber. Start strong. Drive your knees toward your chest with control. Keep your core tight, back flat, and move with a steady rhythm. Feel your abs fire with every rep. Stay focused, keep breathing, and push through. You've got this. Exercise number 2, Wide Grip Push-Up. Set your hands wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest with control, then push back up explosively. Keep your core firm, elbows steady, and chest engaged. Stay strong and maintain form. Your upper body is working hard. Exercise number 3, Jumping Jacks. Open up the body and get the energy flowing. Jump your feet out and bring your arms overhead, then return to center. Keep a smooth pace, stay light on your toes, and keep your core active. Let your whole body warm up and move freely. Exercise number 4, Burpees. Go all in. Drop down, kick your legs back, and power up into a full jump. Engage your core, move with control, and stay explosive. This is a full body challenge. Stay determined and keep driving. Exercise number 5, Squats. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Sit back into the squat, drive through your heels, and rise with power. Keep your chest lifted, core tight, and form clean. Feel the burn in your legs and stay strong till the end.